In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your Facebook Marketplace listings to increase your views and sales. If you've been wondering how to get more eyes on what you're selling and ultimately make those sales, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through each step clearly so that you can easily follow along and implement these strategies to help your listings stand out. To get started, open up your internet browser and head over to Facebook. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to look for the Marketplace icon. This is typically located on the left side of your screen if you're on a desktop, or at the bottom if you're using the Facebook app on your mobile device. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. Now that you're in the Marketplace, you'll notice several navigation options. We're interested in the selling option, so click on that. This is where you'll manage your current listings and set them up to reach a broader audience. In the selling section, you'll see all your active listings. Find the listing you'd like to boost. To the right of each listing, there should be a button that says Boost Listing. Click on it. You are now entering a space where you have control over the promotion details of your listing. One of the first options you'll see is setting a daily budget. This budget determines how much you're willing to spend each day to promote your item. Choose an amount that fits your marketing budget. Remember, the more you spend, the broader the reach. However, it's crucial to balance cost and potential return. Next, let's adjust the number of days you want your listing to be boosted. You have the flexibility to choose a duration, whether it's just a few days or a longer campaign. Consider your goals and how quickly you want to see results when making this decision. Now, regarding where your listing will appear, you can manage this through the Placements option. By clicking on Placements, you'll be able to decide across which parts of the Facebook ecosystem your ad will be shown, allowing you to tailor your approach to reach the right audience more effectively. Before publishing your ad, you'll need to ensure that your payment method is set up. Click on Add Payment Method. This is where you can enter your credit card details or any other payment option Facebook supports. This step is crucial to fund the boosting of your listing, so double check your details to avoid any interruptions. With everything set up, it's time to move forward. Click on Next to review your settings one last time. Make sure everything looks good and that the information is accurate. Finally, when you're satisfied, click on Publish. Your listing is now boosted and you're all set to attract more potential buyers. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Boosting your Facebook Marketplace listings is a powerful way to increase visibility and sales, so give it a try and watch your engagement grow.